What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in my previous YouTube video I actually did a walk around and I showed you guys my uncle's Mark 1 Ford Fiesta that he'd built in his garage at home pretty much from scratch. An unbelievable build and an unbelievable car that he has created. A lot of time, a lot of effort and a lot of work went into that car. And I did mention in that video that I would be sitting down and getting a little bit more info from my uncle along with some photographs and show you guys exactly how it was built from start to finish through the whole build process. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to put together a little montage and as much information as I can put in there for you fellow Ford Fiesta nuts who are maybe looking to get some inspiration or some insight or knowledge from this build and use it on your own build. I understand that this video isn't going to be for everybody, but for those of you who did watch the Ford Fiesta video I did previously, I think you'll really enjoy seeing how it was put together. Remember, if you are enjoying the content, to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. We're really close now to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to everybody who takes the time out of their day to watch my videos. Remember to drop a like if you do enjoy the content as well. Leave a comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are on this video and what we should do going forwards. You're all absolute legends. Thank you very much. Now let's get into this video. So there it is, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. It was great myself being able to look through that process and having seen the car in the flesh, understand, you know, what has went into it. I hope this has helped you guys out if you are looking for inspiration in some way, shape or form. And I also hope you enjoyed watching the video. It's really, really interesting for me, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Comment Fez down below, FEZ, just so it lets me know who has actually made it to the end of the video. Have a fantastic rest of your week, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.